Good morning to everybody. Today we are going to study the accounts from incomplete records 2 mark question. Totally we have 10 questions, not 10, 14 questions in our test book. We have to study all the 2 mark question today. Accounts from incomplete record, chapter 1, accountancy, plus 2, accountancy, account from incomplete records, 2 mark question. Totally, we have 10 questions in our hand. In our test book, 10 questions are given. But we have to solve all the questions one by one. Today, you have to study this question. Then, question number 1. It is given in page number 31. From the following particulars, ascertain profit or loss. Capital at the beginning, rupees 5 lakhs. Capital at the end, rupees 8 lakh 50,000. Additional capital, 1 lakh 20,000. Drawings during the year, 70,000. This question is given in page number 31. Page number 31, question number 1. It is a 2-mark question. The answer is also given in the test book itself. So, try to do this problem today. Likewise, we have to solve remaining 9 questions. I am going to explain only 15 minutes. Within 15 minutes, how many problems we are going to solve? We have to solve. Remaining question we will study the next day. Question number 1, page number 31. Accounts from incomplete record. 2 mark question alone I am going to explain. Then, ascertain profit or loss. In the question, ascertain profit or loss. So, first we write statement showing profit or loss. Statement showing profit or loss. We have to write the heading. Then we have to draw the columns. That is, first column particulars and amount. What is a formula? Already we studied this question. Once again, I just write the formula. Capital at the end, add drawings, less additional capital, less opening capital, we can get profit or loss. I am going to write the formula. Capital at the end or closing capital. Capital at the end, add drawings, less additional capital, less opening capital. Opening capital or capital at the beginning. Whatever given the question, you have to use. We can get profit or loss. In this question, we get profit. The answer is also given in the test book itself. In all the problems, you will get the answer. Then, capital at the end, rupees 8 lakh 50,000. Add drawings. Drawings amount is also given in the question, 70,000. So, 8 lakh 50,000 plus 70,000 is equal to 9 lakh 20,000. Less additional capital. Additional capital is equal to 1 lakh 20,000. 1 lakh 20,000. We have to subtract it. We can get 8 lakh. 8 lakhs. Less opening capital or capital in the beginning, 5 lakhs. 8 lakh minus 5 lakhs is equal to 3 lakh. It is a profit. This is the first question. All the questions we have to follow this formula. In all the sums, in all 2-mark questions, we have to use this formula. So you just memorize this formula. Capital at the end, add drawings, less additional capital, less opening capital, we can get profit. Then do the next problem. Question number 2, page number 32. Question number 2, page number 32. We have to solve all the 2-mark questions one by one. Page number 32. from the following particulars, ascertain profit or loss. Capital as on that 1st January 2018, rupees 2,20,000. Capital as on 31st December 2018, 1,80,000. Additional capital introduced during the year 40,000. Drawings made during the year 50,000. In this question, capital at the end, the word capital at the end is given. But here, capital as on 31st December 2018. That amount you have to write. But here you write capital at the end, add drawings, less additional capital, less opening capital, we can get profit or loss. We have to solve this question also. The same question, same formula, but the amounts are different. So I just rough the amount column alone. Then capital at the end is given the question 1,80,000. Add drawings 50,000. So we can get 2,30,000. Less additional capital 40,000. 2,30,000 minus 40,000 is equal to 1,90,000. Less opening capital 2,20,000. We are not able to subtract 2,20,000 from 1,90,000. So we can get the minus answer. If we get minus answer, it is a loss. We can get minus answer. 2,20,000 minus 1,90,000 is equal to 30,000. So we can get minus figure. So if you get the minus figure, it is a loss. Okay. Question number 1 and 2. First question we get profit. Second question we get loss. Loss means minus figure. If you get the minus figure, we can get loss. Then we do the third problem. In the third problem, we have to calculate the missing figure. Then question number 3, page number 32. Please refer page number 32. From the following details, calculate missing figure. So here, statement showing profit or loss. Here you write statement showing missing information. Or what is the information we are going to calculate? Opening capital. So statement showing calculation of opening capital. First you write the heading, statement showing calculation of opening capital. Here the procedure is same, but we have to follow the same formula. In this question, question number 3, loss is given, so same formula we have to write. We have to write the same formula, but the amount alone may be changed. So, statement showing calculation of opening capital. First you write this formula, capital at the end, add drawings, less additional capital, less opening capital. This is question number 3. Opening capital, loss is given. We have to fill up all the columns one by one, but we have to calculate the opening capital. Here we get the answer. Then capital at the end is given the question 80,000. Add drawings. Drawing is also given in the question 15,000. Additional capital is also given in the question 30,000. Opening capital we have to calculate. In this question, the loss 25,000 is given. So, if the loss is given, we have to write minus. If this model question is given, we have to go from the bottom. In all the sums, if you calculate the profit, we have to calculate from the beginning. But here, we have to calculate from the bottom. Here, any amount is subtracted. Here, we have to add 25,000 plus 30,000. Here, the word add is given, so here we have to minus. Then we minus it. So, we have to write separately. How do you write? Minus 25,000, it is a loss. So, here you write minus 25,000 plus 30,000 then minus 15,000, then minus 80,000. We have to add all the minus figures one by one. 25,000 plus 15,000 is equal to 40,000. 40,000 plus 80,000 is equal to 1,20,000. 25,000 plus 15,000 plus 80,000. We can get 1,20,000 minus 1,20,000 plus 30,000. So we can get the answer 90,000. Here we are not worried about whether it is a plus or minus. Only loss alone we have to quote it as minus. Here you simply write 90,000. We are not worried about plus sign or minus sign. That is not at all a problem. We have to solve in this way. Once again, I want to explain this question because it is somewhat different. Capital at the end, add drawings, less additional capital, less opening capital, the loss. Given informations are filled up one by one. Capital at the end, 80,000 is given the question. Drawing 15,000 is given the question. Additional capital 30,000 is also given the question. Loss of 25,000 is also given the question. We have to calculate opening capital. So here we write the heading, statement showing calculation of opening capital. Fill up all the amount one by one. Then we have to go from bottom to top. Minus 25,000 plus 30,000. Here the word add is given, so we have to subtract. Minus 25,000 plus 30,000 minus 15,000 minus 80,000. We have to add all the minus figure first. 25,000 plus 15,000 is equal to 40. 40 plus 80 is equal to 1,20,000. Minus 1,20,000 plus 30,000, we can get minus 90,000. So for minus 90,000. For writing the answer, we are not worried about whether it is a plus sign or minus sign. Only for the identification of profit or loss, if it is a loss, here we write minus. Otherwise, you write the answer, whatever you get the answer, you have to write opening capital. Okay, 3 problems are completed. I want to give 2 more questions today. Now, please cooperate. Question number 4. Question number 4, page number 32. Question number 4, page number 32. Listen here, question number 4. I just read the question. From the following details, calculate the capital as on 31st December 2018. So, calculate capital at the end. We have to calculate capital at the end. In the previous question, we calculate capital at the beginning. The same procedure, same model, but the amount alone may be changed. The same procedure we have to apply. Then, capital as on 1st January 2018, 1 lakh. That is opening capital is given. Goods withdrawn or cash withdrawn, any drawings, any amount of goods is withdrawn for personal use, it is considered as drawings. So, goods withdrawn for personal use by the owner 30,000. Additional capital introduced during the year 15,000. Profit for the year 60,000. So, same procedure, we just fill up the columns, fill up the amount column alone. Question number 4. Capital at the end is not given in the question. We have to calculate. Here, statement showing calculation of closing capital. Statement showing calculation of closing capital. Capital at the end, we have to calculate. Add drawings. Drawings 30,000 is given in the question. Then additional capital 15,000. Then opening capital 1 lakh. Here profit is given. Profit. How do we solve this question? In the textbooks, some other model is given. We have to follow this model. Then only we have to do the problem without mistake. 2 mark question, very very important question. I am expecting one question out of 7 questions. One question is asked from first chapter. So you have to do this problem one again and again. Profit 60,000. Then we have to calculate. First we write the format. Then we have to what the closing capital column, you have to put a column. Then remaining information written one by one. Then here less is given, so this amount and this amount is added. Then this amount and this amount is also added. Here add is given, so we have to subtract, minus it. How do you write? From the bottom we have to go 60,000 plus 1 lakh plus 15,000 minus 30,000. So add all the item. 1 lakh plus 1,60,000 plus 15,000 is equal to 1,75,000 minus 30,000 is equal to 1,45,000. So the answer is 1,45,000. The answer is also given in your textbook. We have to do one more problem today. Statement showing calculation of drawings. Next question, calculation of drawings. Question number 5. Question number 5. I just read the question. From the following details, calculate the missing figure. Capital as on 1st April 2018, 40,000. Capital as on 31st March 2019, 50,000. Additional capital introduced during the year, 7,000. Profit for the year, 8,000. Drawings, question mark. We have to calculate drawings. How do you solve this question? We have to apply the same formula. We have to calculate the drawings. Here you put a column. We have to calculate drawings. Capital at the end is given the question 50,000. Additional capital 7,000 rupees. Opening capital 40,000. Profit is given. Profit 8,000 rupees profit. To calculate the missing information, we have to go from the bottom. How do you write? This 8,000. Here less is given, but if you go from bottom, 8,000 plus 40,000. Then also here minus is given, so you have to plus 7,000. Then here add is given, so we have to minus 50,000. 8 plus 40 is equal to 48. 48 plus 7 is equal to 55,000 minus 50,000. We can get 5,000 rupees. This 5,000 rupees is the drawing amount. Dear students, today I want to give only 5 questions only. You have to write this question and send to me immediately. Okay, God bless you.